Combining a hot LSX 454 with a tough Tremec 6-speed and sinister black-on-black aesthetics, this gruff 1970 Chevelle draws big crowds and big compliments. The beneficiary of a body-off nut and bolt restoration that was completed by Sugarloaf, Pennsylvania's Tony's Muscle Cars, this awesome-made body has been lovingly coated in rich black 2-stage. Chrome bumpers and SS emblems maintain the classic look, while staggered Ridler wheels set off the sinister attitude. Combining modern aesthetic with timeless style, the tasteful interior is a perfect place to cruise the day away. Seating is provided by plush TMI thrones. Cut pile carpet centers a factory console on a Hurst shifter. A padded dash founds Dakota Digital gauges next to modern air conditioning and modern RetroSound audio, and the driver spins a polished steering wheel around a tilting column. Lift this Chevy's hood and you'll find a 454 cubic inch, 627 horsepower Chevrolet Performance LSX 454. That engine is trailed by a Tremec T56 6-speed and a Currie 9-inch. Simply put, this menacing Chevelle is some of the coolest metal on the planet. As it sits, the car offers the best of both worlds, and a unique classic that sets itself apart from acres of pony cars and overwrought land yachts. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.